buzzing sound in the mandelbrot? Yeah. Is the use that buzzing sound is the tune 5,408 Z. Click this right over here. Wait.
Are you kidding me? Wait, what? That's what this video is? He's doing level. Oh my god, this video is just a couple.
So let's try random buzzing if we counter them or not.
What? Then the second challenge, level 2, was liking and subscribing in under 3 seconds.
Okay, this is the second buzzing sound. Okay, this is not here. So the next mandelbrot is the mandelbrot zoom.
What are you talking about? At this point, I was starting to realize that this guy's content was just
Shrink.
But this video right here, this video says Lanky Box almost died.
Right here.
If you guys don't know who Lanky Box is, that's a really good thing. I'm so happy that you don't know who that is. It's basically a Roblox YouTuber who posts some of the cringiest content ever. I made a couple of videos about him. This video right here was about him, or about their channel. It's 2 people. That video got like millions of views somehow. I don't know. But apparently we're about to see how Lanky Box, the YouTuber, almost died. Wow! This never happened. Let's see it though.
Lanky Box almost died, although you could subscribe if you want to win 100,000 Robux.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, it's already laggy.
You're not even doing a giveaway. You're not even giving them anything. How are they gonna win this with like the Robux? That's like me saying, okay guys, subscribe to my channel if you want $1 million. Come on guys, subscribe. Anyway, I'm not gonna give you $1 million. I'm broke. Alright, let's watch the rest of this.
Infinite zoom.
Okay. Okay, how is this gonna end up Lanky Box almost died? They're playing a game and they prank this kid.
This game is super, and so this kid actually ran all the way from transformed into Blue Rainbow Friends. And after that, Blue Rainbow Friends actually won Lanky Box's house all the way to the sun, where they were never seen again.
What did I just? That is so dumb, bro. People in the comment section actually believe this. Somebody said, "Oh, so scary." What? Somebody else said, "No." They're literally like crying because they think that Lanky Box actually died. Now, believe it or not, this Bloxify guy doesn't just upload stupid YouTube shorts. You remember?
Let's zoom.
Somebody in his comment section was saying, "Give me my Robux. I need Robux. Come on, give my Robux." And I didn't understand it. Well, the reason that all these kids were saying that is because this guy is a scammer. Look at this. So there's 2 things that this guy does to scam little kids. The first thing is
Bro.
the fact that this guy uploads weird
I can't see blue particles.
shorts. Those are extra.
What's that mean? Is it the web?
How do you free Robux 2025?
What does this mean? Oh my god. What is the seed?
But it's literally cat. If you click
It's so OP, dude.
when he posted 2 days ago, you can
It looks like lightning.
like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications.
What? What? What?
I know I screamed.
What?
This guy
What?
he started This is the
What?
code to get free Robux. Look at this. This code you want to try.
No, no way.
Redeem this one and you'll instantly get a really cool free avatar style. He ends up showing a code that you can type in for like a free avatar thing, whatever. He's lying.
I think it's a white one. I think it's a white one. Oh yes, it's a white one.
Like this looks pretty legit, doesn't look fake. Well, later on, he tells you a code
What is
you
that?
can type in to get actual Robux. Look at this. In the last code.
Oh my god, it's a dark person. Wait, what is this? Is this orange? Orange is my favorite color. Orange. No, it's peach. Oh yeah, next is blue.
This in, but look at what he says. He says if this code doesn't work, which it obviously doesn't
It's
work.
dark. Oh yeah, I think it is orange. Oh my god, it's actually orange. Bro.
So it actually works. This guy ends up
Whoa, whoa. I think we are exiting mandelbrot. Bro, this god take it so far. Okay, oh my god, no way.
apps that you have to download. Huh? This guy's promoting a stupid scam website that makes it so once you type in your username, you have to download these.
It's orange. Oh my god, it's actually gold. It's gold. It's gold orange.
It says the rules on how to get these Robux. First, you have to like.
My god, this is our end of the video. Bye guys.